guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another vlog for you guys. I'm vlogging Jennies beauty place today. So this is somewhere you can get your nails done, your lashes done, massages. I think they do tattoos as well, or tattoo removal. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna put all the details once we get there and get all the details once I get there. So I'm meeting up with Kelly, who is my sister-in-law. She just moved to Enugu State as well from Philly in the States, so that's a drastic change as well for her. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. The hubby is dropping me off at where I'm going to meet up with Kelly, which is the salon or lounge. I don't know the name to call it because there's so many things at one, but yeah, this is somewhere you do all those kind of things. So if you need a good lash tech in Enugu States, they are the one for you. I'm not doing my lashes today though. I only do them when I have somewhere to go. So yeah, I'm having like, I keep looking there, but I'm meant to be looking here, but I'm looking here. My hair today is just not with me. Just not with me, and I didn't want to wear a frontal because I just feel very hot today. So that's what I'm doing. So we are on our way there. I'll see you guys once I get there. Bye guys. My one sweet girl, my one sweet girl, my one sweet girl. Not only you, girl, like MJ rock my world. So bad and I'm welcome to Jennies Beauty Clinic. Oh, I really love a good presentation. Let's go inside and see what Jennies Beauty Clinics looks like. Welcome to the inside of Jennies Beauty Clinic. I love when a clinic or a beauty place is so well put together. Look at that. That's the spa section. This is the makeup section. Hi guys. Hey, this is the picture section. So after you get your nails done, feet done, lashes done, you can just take a cute picture. Let's go into the spa. This is my cousin's wife, Kelly. Hey girl, she's getting her me-day on. Get her feet done, her nails done, lashes done, all the shebang. I love it. I love it. We all deserve it. We definitely do. So make sure you treat yourself whenever you come to Enugu State at Jennies Beauty Clinic. Let's see what else they have to offer. So they also sell makeup here. Foundation, concealer, lip gloss, lipstick. Everything you need. Beauty blenders. Everything. Like, look at that. Fenty. It's here. It's here. NARS. It's here. It's present. MAC is here. It's present. So what you looking for outside? You just need to come to Jennies Beauty Place. That's all you need to do. I'm definitely topping up my makeup. My Fenty needs to be topped up. So let me stop talking and enjoy Jennies Beauty Clinic. See you soon, guys. this is me filming an extra for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you check out Jennies' place when you come to Enugu this Christmas. Anytime you come, make sure you check it out. Get your nails done, get your lashes done, just pamper yourself, because we all deserve it once in a while, don't we? Every time, actually, we do deserve it. So make sure you come and like and subscribe this video, share it to your friends and family, and just, you know, spread the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, bye guys.